we are making donuts. Now we're making a video. These are going to be good donuts.
Well, I hope. One never knows.
Oh, we know they're going to be good. There's no question.
Well, my grandkids like them and my kids like them.
Yeah.
If that's any testimony.
Yep.
You're pretty good critics.
That's right. If they liked them. Remember that commercial? Look at Mikey. He likes it.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. That was quite a commercial, wasn't it?
Yeah. It's an old family recipe from Czechoslovakia.
Well, I think so, or Germany. I mean, it could be German too, so.
One of those really strange countries over there. Yeah. First we get to roll it around in the flour. That's kind of the fun part.
You think so? It's a messy part.
Just like a little kid playing in a mud pie. Yeah. Morning, Tom.
No, we're making a movie.
We're making donuts in a movie. Yes, sirree, Bob.
And it's raining, so we just all came inside.
Wait till it gets to the eating part. That's the part I really like.
That's the best part.
Those babies are coming along. Yep, they are looking good. Now we'll save that flour for another batch someday. Just stick it back in the bag.
No, I think not.
That's what I would do.
Well, yeah.
Nobody will know the difference.
But me. Me and you.
That's right. Just the two of us. We'd have a secret.
Teaspoon, maybe?
Then we're going to dip
Just sprinkle some in, I don't know, whatever.
that's sugar and cinnamon. And we're going to put those, we're going to run those
Yeah,
donuts
take it up
through
and
there.
see what it looks like, and then if we need to.
That is going to be good. That's going to be just super. Shake it, baby, shake it.
Yeah. There you go. And then cinnamon now.
You can't have too much cinnamon, actually.
Right, it is. Well, you know, it had more sugar. There you go.
Yeah.
This over there with the sugar.
Okay. We don't care if it rains out. We'll just sit around and make donuts. Yum, yum. It's not going to be long. We're going to be chopping down some donut holes. There we go.
Yeah, I seen this, it's been a number of years ago. We used to get that Nebraska Land Farm magazine. Yeah, because it always had some good articles in it. And it was, somebody was wanting this recipe. There was a couple of things, couldn't remember what went in it. And I couldn't remember one of them either now, so I called my sister, so she told me. So I answered back, and I wrote back in and said, oh, I have that same recipe. And I told her what.
Oh, it's on the microwave.
Yeah, mine's up in
How much did you get for it? It should
I
be
was just
worth.
exchange recipes is all.
Oh, it should be worth a lot of money because there are people who have patents on their donuts. Look at those Krispy Kreme people.
Oh,
They
yeah,
have
nothing
special-
on it. Nothing on them.
I like the Krispy Kreme calendars. B is
Anything,
going to help me sample the donut holes.
If I have to.
Right.
If I have to.
It's a tough job, but somebody
If
has
you have
to
to
do it.
twist my arm just a little.
Yeah.
Oh, well, all right, we'll see.
Yeah, somebody's got to do it. There they are. Oh, look at that. They're coming out of there. They're going to be nice and round and puffy.
But you know,
Sugar.
donut puddings are hard to find. They really are something.
They're like antiques.
Well, I was down here one time, that one summer, a whole bunch of us came down, and Dick, I think it was Malaya's high school graduation, and Dick wanted me to make a cherry pie, and I said, yeah, well, of course I made one from scratch. I don't do that anymore. And made donuts. Tony had to go to a special shop to get a rolling pin. Yeah, because at Walmart nobody had it.
See, I still have my great grandmother's wooden rolling
Do ya?
from Germany. And it works. Yeah, it works.
Will it work in the U.S.?
It does work in the U.S.
Well, it's German. I just wondered. There's a song about that. Can you bake a cherry pie, darling Nona, darling Nona? Can you bake a cherry pie, darling Nona, Nona? I can bake a cherry pie, quick speak and wink her eye. You damn betcha I can make a cherry pie. Yay! There they are, donuts on the hook. Those babies are going to go in the pan pretty quick. Over there on the side you can see the over there on the side you can see the holes. Yep. We're going to have some donuts here when we get done with this. We call this Nona's Donut Kitchen. Nona's Donut Shop, right here on Oak Island, North Carolina. People come from miles around, I mean all the way from Nebraska to have some of her donuts here.
Sure, you bet.
Sorry.
Little ones are hard to find in that drawer. I had to dig down in the back to find them this morning. Mixed up together.
That'll be little enough.
Yeah, that's about as low.
We got the pot going over there, generating a little smoke. That's a special tool called a rolling pin. It's probably put more wayward husbands in the grave than pistols had. Good people really got. Ooh. We don't know what that was, but we're afraid to look.
I sure tried.
There you got the donut holes. Right there. And a few donuts in the mix. This is what you call your donut factory right here.
I was just going to holler at you. I'm getting started over here. We get those drained off and let them cool and we'll start frosting.
And this is like dying and going to heaven. You just don't get them like this in a bakery.
No, you don't.
This has got all the love and care and knowledge of Master Baker,
Yeah.
Grandma.
Yes,
Nona.
I'm here. I'm I don't know if that's bad, but I'm here.
Years and years of experience. And you have to have the right tools. You got to have one of those rolling pins, and you need a cookie cutter, a donut cutter, we call them. And you just can't hardly find those anywhere anymore.
It really, of course you can.
Whatever you do, you're going to snap that up right now because you just don't see them in the stores at all. People nowadays just don't make their own donuts.
Well, they don't.
They go to Krispy Kreme and Winchell's. They're missing half the fun.
Yeah, kids don't understand what they're really missing when they don't, you know.
No, they don't. The anticipation of sitting around waiting for those donut holes to get finished is like yummy. Yep. We really got this assembly line cracking now. And here's our sugar shaker right there.
Okay.
Is that your job, Maddie Mae?
She's going to be doing the sugar shaking. Right?
No, I just got some fresh.
Oh,
That's her tool there. That's where she puts the donut holes and shakes them. And gets sugar and cinnamon on them.
Grandma, we're ready for
And then just to taste one to make sure they got covered all right.
I thought there was donuts today. We just didn't know it until just now.
Well, we already ate breakfast.
Well, yeah, but there's always room for a donut.
We had pancakes and fried eggs and bacon this morning.
That's okay, Grace. We'll take care of the donuts.
Oh, I gotta have some of Grandma's donuts.
How you doing?
How are you?
Good?
How are
Hanging in
you,
there?
Miss Maddie? You look tired, sweetheart. Take a shake. Oh, you
Okay.
How is John in Turkey?
Boy, you do that really good.
He didn't get to go. He's not going home today, I don't think.
Are you sure you haven't done this before? You're really good at it.
Pretty good shaper there, isn't she?
Yeah.
Ready?
I think
Up and give you some more.
I think she's done it before.
They're all white. I made snakes and yummy.
You did make them
Wow.
yummy.
I see that.
I think you got a new job.
I think so. Okay, there's 6 in this one, and we've got 6 more, so you gotta do it one more time after this one, all right? There's nothing in there, is there? No, I was waiting. Oh, that's all right. I'm getting it.
Man, shake it, baby, shake it. Atta girl. Wow. Those are going to be good.
Good? Next batch ready? All right, we'll get the next batch in. Uh-oh, what happened? And Gracie went over and bothered her. She was doing just fine.
Trying to get her out of the tray.